Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make some mini cheesecakes that taste and look like crème brûlée. They are amazing, as you can see, with an amazing caramel topping, and as you will see, these cheesecakes are very easy to make and quite fast too. So let's start with the recipe. So first of all, I'm going to grease my pans, and I'm using some ramequins today. You can definitely use a cupcake pan if you want, but I do prefer the ramequins as I'm going to make a water bath in this video. So I'm just going to brush some melted butter on the sides of it, and then I will add a piece of parchment paper at the bottom of each ramequin. My ramequins are ready, so it's now time to make the crust, and I'm going to use some digestive biscuits that I'm going to crush and smash up, and I want some very fine crumbs, and then I will add the melted butter. So as you can see, I have a very nice wet sand consistency, and I'm going to put my crumbs in my ramequins, and using a shot glass, I'm going to press my crust down each ramequins, and then I will bake them in my preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius. That's 350 in Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. My crust is baking, so it's now time to make the cheesecake filling, and I'm going to use two types of cheese today. I'm using some Philadelphia, so cream cheese, and I'm also going to use some mascarpone cheese. It's amazing and very fat and perfect for cheesecakes. And I'm going to mix these two together just to make them a bit smoother. Now I'm adding one large egg and one egg yolk, and I'm going to whisk again. I'm also adding now some sugar. As you can see, I'm using in this recipe some vanilla paste, but you can definitely use some vanilla extract that is completely normal. It's just that I want to have the most perfect vanilla taste for my crème brûlée cheesecake. So I'm going to use the paste, and I'm also using some crème fraîche, which is basically the equivalent of sour cream in France. So please use sour cream or heavy cream or double cream wherever you are in the world. And I'm going to mix that well once again. My cheesecake batter is now done, so I'm going to fill each ramequin almost to the top, and then we will bake the cheesecakes. Okay, so it is baking time, and I'm going to make a water bath, as you can see, so just adding some boiling water in a pan and then putting my ramequins in it. And I'm going to bake my cheesecakes for about 5 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, that's 350 in Fahrenheit. And then I'm going to leave them in the oven and let them bake another 20 to 30 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius, that's 320 in Fahrenheit. And then I will let the cheesecakes cool off at room temperature in the oven and put them in the fridge to chill completely overnight, and they will be ready. So just to make it easier, I'm using a blowtorch and a spatula just to unmold my cheesecakes. You can definitely plunge them in some hot water that will also come out very easily. And then we can make the caramel topping. And so I'm using some just regular sugar, and then I'm using my blowtorch once again to make the sugar melt and caramelize. It will taste amazing. But you can definitely do it in the oven with the grill option if you don't have any blowtorch. You just want to keep an eye on your cheesecake so that they don't burn. So as you can see, this recipe was very easy to do, and the taste is perfect and very similar to crème brûlée. So you can find the entire list of ingredients in the description box down below this video, so just write down there, as well as the social media where to follow me, so Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and Snapchat. Please subscribe to my channel, it really means a lot, and I will see you next time for another great recipe. Bye!